Okay guys, we're going to be installing these really cool light up panels today. A brand sent me these to make a video over. See these little dots right here are going to be lighting up. They have a remote to change all the colors whenever you do install them. And I'll kind of show you the whole install process and everything like that. As we're going, first thing we're going to do is take off the panels that I'm not going to have there anymore. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is stick this to the wall, and this is the only part that we're going to do for now. See, I just put the two adhesive blocks on there. I'm going to stick it on the wall. Okay, so we got our panels up, as you can see here. Now I'm going to show you guys how we're going to wire all this craziness up. Okay, so you can see I've gotten all of the optical wires right here into one big bundle, and we're going to go ahead and put a zip tie on this. So we got that part zip tied. We're going to come down just a little bit. You can see some of these pieces are this short, so I don't want to come down too far. I'm going to zip tie it again about right here. Just to make sure it's real secure, you know. So we got those zip tied. Now what we're going to do is cut this down about 2 inches away from the zip tie. Here's all of our excess. Go ahead and get rid of that. Chuck it over there. Now what we're going to do, take this piece right here, which I've already put double-sided tape on, and we are going to stuff all of these pieces inside of here. It is a bit of a tight fit, but they'll go in there. I'm going to screw this down. It should cinch down on these. So now it's going to hold there. Just going to turn it around. Okay, now I'm going to take the double-sided tape off, attach this to the wall, just like that. And my infrared thing, I'm going to stick right here because I want it to be line of sight with my remote. So that's where I'm going to stick this. Not too low because I don't want to be reaching down under my desk trying to change the colors. So and now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and push my desk back, and we're going to see how it looks. Alright guys, so here we have the final result. As you can see, there it is behind my monitors. We can change all the different colors, and then we have the whole palette here that we can change it to. Purple, yellow, green. And then we can make it flash, make it strobe, fade, and then smooth. So it's going to go through all the different colors. That was these buttons here. We can do white too. I think I like that one right there, or maybe even red. Red's nice too. Red's pretty cool. But that's these panels. They're awesome. If you need some acoustic panels and you want a really cool background, like what I'm showing like this, I really like that background, and it's going to provide that echo protection. Go ahead and grab these. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.